To use RAM plus to expand memory by using your storage as virtual RAM in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care and then tap memory. Next, tap RAM plus. As we know, RAM plus uses your phone's storage space to provide you a virtual memory. Since the current virtual memory in this phone is set to 6 GB, we will choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. As the example, we will select 8 GB. A pop-up appears to inform you that your phone needs to restart in order to change the amount of internal storage used as virtual memory. To continue the process, tap restart and wait until your phone finishes restarting to apply the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.